about integers with an excellent game. We need few things in this game. We need 2 dice with 1 dice with numbers to 6 and with 1 dice with 3 minus signs and 1 plus signs. And we need a strip with positive numbers and negative integers. So Anal, can you please roll the dice and tell me the number?
So the first number is -6.
Can you please again roll the dice and tell me the number?
So the second number is +5.
Can you please explain it how we can do it?
So Jeshta, it is very easy. When one number is positive and the other is negative, we just subtract it. So as you can see, -6 plus 5. So one number is left